As we have already explained in our local dialect, the latest development of the state of Manipur since for last nearly 1.5 years. What is going on in Manipur? Everybody knows it. We thought that every people of Manipur thought that it is nothing but a mere law and order problem. Now since yesterday, these Kuki militants, so-called illegal militants, they started using of the most modern technology. They started attacking some location where Koktru or maybe Chenam Sirang or every location around the foothill of Manipur. Now, question of the nation's security has come. Whether even let us forget about the innocent people, but even the Raj Bhawan and the Chief Minister's Secretariat, whether it is safe or not. Every citizen of this country will aware that the Constitution has given to protect life and property of the innocent of any citizen of this country. It is purely a state subject. If we thought that state has totally failed, including constitutional machineries of this state has totally collapsed and failed. Therefore, what we are asking question by our India bloc, the center government, which is led by Shri Narendra Modi ji, what they are doing and is there any secret and hidden agenda for India government at the center led by Shri Narendra Modi ji? If he thought that if he take Manipur also is a part of this big country. Now question has come, the nation's security. If Manipur is not safe, it's not secure, India is not secure. That's why we are asking this question. So we met, as we have already explained, we tried to meet governor. Governor is not available, he is out of station, and we have already submitted our memorandum to the Governor's Secretary. I think it may already pass on to the Governor. By this time, Governor might have already received. We thought that some action will definitely taken up. If Government of India, if they have any hidden agenda, secret agenda, that means let them kill each other. It is different question. If Government of India has determination and commitment, this type of challenge not only to the state government of Manipur, including the centers and the government, so they can take action, immediate action can take up. From our side, we will wait and see, and we will fight together. Our comrade Sotin already explained, we will fight together if question of this disintegration of the Manipur territorial integrity. Whether we may die or not, we will protect our state's territorial integrity. Thank you.